The staff at HHP is made up of all different diversifications. What I would say is unique about our group is the fact that every one of them is a hard worker. We have varying backgrounds and we have a lot of diversification within the group, but the common thread between them all is they're hard workers and they're honest, good people. So what differentiates us is our ability to be knowledgeable on the whole transactions. A lot of times customers call and are surprised to find out that we really want to act as problem solvers. So we have technicians that have been in the industry for 25 years that know equipment inside and out. They know the engines. Because if we can stop a problem before it happens, that's the best that we could ever do for a customer. But then we have a group of people that don't have the same experience of hands-on with the equipment. What they're the best at, getting the product to the people as quickly as possible. I would tell you that number one, our customer service is the best. It's knowing the product, but it's also being able to relate to the customer and understand what their needs are. And when we have to change, we do. What makes good business sense for the customer and us is something that we'll always do. The transaction is the result of our service. Our service is really what we sell.